We're at the visitor center, and there's area information. There's lava beds. So if we miss the pictures time there, we can still picture.
Yeah.
Take a picture here. There's restrooms, which is cool. Yeah. Yeah, look at my helmet. Helmet for walking in the cave. So first cave is Mushpot Cave. It's supposed to be an easy cave, but we will see. So still follow, you have to wear mask, no pets allowed. It's volcano, both side of the volcano, and a steep walk down. This is a most moist question. Oh, okay.
How is it? Pretty cool?
It's pretty cool.
Awesome.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, I hope I don't
good.
bump my head.
There's a springtail, whatever that.
Oh my god!
It's gonna bite us.
Ooh. I don't like bugs.
Entrance zone. Lava tube caves are more than their surroundings. Okay, just watch your head. At least you got headlamp. Oh, there's lights down there.
Oh yeah, this isn't so bad. This one's light.
This one,
Oh, this is
So
okay.
close
Oh,
to my
look at
head.
the top.
yeah. It's close to my head, that's why it's good I have a helmet. And it's lighted.
Oh.
It's lighted.
This looks weird.
Lava tubes.
Yeah, this one is nice. It's lit up.
That's it, there's a pathway.
And watch out here.
I have my helmet.
They look like bats, don't they?
Yeah.
The Twilight Zone. Uh-oh, this is last time we're gonna see natural light.
Oh, so then afterwards it's gone.
It's gone.
Oh, Twilight entrance zone, Twilight zone, dark zone. Mhm.
Uh-oh.
There's roti, cauliflower, planter. There's no over there. I don't think we're gonna go in there, right?
Oh, I don't think so. I'm not used to having a light on my head.
Oh, it's on. So everywhere you turn, you get light.
Yeah, I'm just not used to it.
We're almost there. Mhm.
Yeah.
Coatings
Watch
on the
your
wall.
head. It's getting low.
Mhm. See, you still have to use your helmet. Just These are sharp stones. Oh, there's some amphitheater here.
Yeah.
You can sit here. This is cool. You can go inside. There's some chairs to sit on. Maybe there's some movie here. Dark zone. There's a mouse in there.
Hello.
Hi.
Dark zone.
Now you can see the water dripping.
Dripping, yeah. So they're little stalactites,
Yeah.
stalagmites. I don't know which one is for
Yeah.
the ceiling, but there's an- yeah, this pathway is wet.
Yeah.
So just be careful you don't slip.
Yeah. It's getting low again.
At least there's a lot of lights. here.
Yeah, I like how this is all lit up.
LED lights. The ceiling LED lights. And you can see my helmet. Although my eyeglasses is fogging up. Probably need to remove my glasses. So I can see. Anyway, it's
Get
not.
low again.
Okay.
Oh, this is really low. Ah.
Watch your head. Okay, you're still good. You're good.
Ah.
Yeah, that sign there at the information center was right. It's
Yeah.
good. It's a good investment.
Yeah.
More water drippings here.
Lava
Lava
sickles.
Icicles.
That's what they're called.
Ah, long pencil.
Yeah.
Lava cycles.
Huh. Interesting.
I know it's most of them are wet. So hopefully the
Yeah.
camera can still pick up.
I was reading one cave you go to, like, they get like icicle things growing up from the ground. They said
Oh.
to come in the winter and see them.
From the wind. Oh, during the winter.
Thought that would be pretty cool.
Except that it's probably slippery there.
Yeah, you have to
Because
be
of the
very
ice.
careful.
It will be icy.
Yeah.
So this here you got a pathway that's they
Yeah,
paved
that's
it.
good.
They paved it very well. I don't know if it's clear from the video.
Ooh, look, that looks like gold up there. Look how shiny it is.
Gold. Wow. Should we climb up there and just check? Yeah. But it looks like it's this one. Right? That's the one. That's the gold thingy. Would be some minerals.
Yeah. I want to see about the sparkles.
There's some here at the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one is
Yeah.
clearer. You
I
can
mean,
see.
it looks like stars.
It looks like gold vein.
It's hard to take a picture because I got this light on my head and then I'm trying to like.
Yeah, tell me where to point and I'll point with a flashlight.
Yeah, just right up there is good. I just.
This here?
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, that's where the
Yeah.
shiny stuff.
Yeah. Very cool.
And this is the end? Oh,
Oh.
this is the dark zone. I thought I'm gonna see like dark zone at the end.
I thought this was gonna be in the twilight zone. It
Yeah.
wasn't even that dark. It was all lit up. Huh.
There's still more.
Yeah.
So this is the end of the line. Ta-da! You can go there, but you'll probably bump your head. Still more, but you have to crawl.
Yeah.
Crawl there, and there could be some bears in there.
The bears.
Like baby bears.
A bear like a bat.
Yeah, bears are scary. Giant bats. So we're going back. So this is like Walmart. Walmart
really
from
good.
remember that video?
I remember it, but it was, you know, it was a while
It was
ago.
on sale,
Yeah,
so I got it for $11,
that's a good price.
and I was like, yeah,
And it's a radio too,
it's
huh?
radio,
Wow,
FM, AM, weather band,
that's
and
good.
it's got solar panel. So we're going to do this one.
We can go and see.
Okay, we're finished with Mushpot Cave. We're going to try the two more difficult ones. Shit. Oh, it's just
Oh, I don't know about this one.
Yeah, because the name itself will...
I don't want to get lost. I mean, look, but I don't know about this one. I don't know. You really have to climb down the ladder. I don't like this.
Oh
I
yeah,
don't think I want to.
it's the vertical ladder.
I don't like ladders. Yeah, I want to try that one.
Okay,
You're
we're
gonna
pass.
take it?
We're gonna take a pass for this. It's vertical ladder.
Yeah, it was that when I went to Mesa Verde, all the things were closed, or you needed like a ticket to get in.